Hi, welcome to Glow's Kindred Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Well, today it's breakfast time, and I decided that we would just serve some simple vanilla yogurt, Greek yogurt, with some fresh berries. And I just thought I'd show you how I do this, and it is so delicious. So anyway, what I did is I took and put some of the vanilla yogurt in each of these little dishes. And then I had washed up some berries. Let me show you these. There's raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, and this pairs really well with this. So I'm going to go ahead, and they've been draining here. And I just kind of make it, so it's about the same in each one.
Even.
Yeah, so it's even. Here's some more of the blackberries. This is a great dish too to serve when you have guests, that are staying with you. It's just a very quick thing to put together, and everybody seems to enjoy it. And they can pick whatever they want. When I do that, I do put the berries in little bowls. So, like the blueberries in one bowl, raspberries in another. And that way they can pick what they want. Richard and I, though, we like it all. So.
Yep, load it up.
Yeah, but this is such a nutritious little breakfast, too. And today I'm going to be serving this alongside some spiced cinnamon toast. And I'll do a video on that too, how I make my cinnamon sugar. It's a spiced cinnamon sugar. Look at this strawberry, how big that is.
It's a jumbo.
Yeah, there's been some really big ones this year. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this up in bite-sized pieces so it's easier for everybody to eat.
Where's that strawberry from, Miss Glow?
Well, I got it at the...
Carolina?
No, this one actually is California. I looked.
Oh.
But it's huge, and they're very good. But isn't that beautiful?
Very nice.
So I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting this up, and then I'll be back, and we're going to do a taste test. We'll see you back in a moment. Well, look at this, you guys. I got that strawberry all cut up. Doesn't that look delicious?
Scrumptious.
Oh, yeah. What a great way to start the day. You can smell the vanilla in that yogurt. This Greek yogurt is so good. Mmm. I don't know about you guys, but the berries we've been getting the past year are just so scrumptious and delicious. Here's a blueberry and a raspberry.
Let me see that, Miss Glow. Where have they been from mostly?
Well,
California?
Since we live in the eastern, southeast part of the United States, a lot of our berries have been coming from Florida and Georgia and South Carolina.
Yeah, South Carolina's got good strawberries.
I wish you guys were here. This is such a great way to start your day. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for joining us today. And if you like this and you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Give me a like and a thumbs up and a comment if you have any questions. I hope you have a great day. Bye.